Hi everyone, my name is Rena. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to day 3 or lesson 3 of the vroid Academy, where we're going to go over outfits. We're just going to make it very simple, taking over the presets that they have to offer in vroid. So now that you can see my screen, I just picked out this little outfit here and we're just going to make some simple modifications. I'm just going to go through some layering techniques that you can do for your characters and how you can modify the outfits that they already have and make it your own. So for example, for the skirt, I just picked this one that's over here. I like it, but I don't like how long it is, so I'm gonna crop it. Yeah, sounds right. Fine, sure. Okay, I'm gonna turn on mirroring. I'm gonna go to the erase, and I'm gonna pick a length that I want to crop it at. I'm gonna also make this brush a little bit bigger because nobody got time for all that. I'm gonna start from down here. I'm gonna try to stick with that little line that you might be able to see on my screen, and see how that works. And I'm gonna get rid of all this. So if you remember, originally the skirt had a kind of like a zigzag pattern, so the length is fine with me. It's not too short, it's good length. So I'm gonna zoom in to this texture and we're gonna continue erasing. So let's make sure mirroring is off, and then doing this all in one direction. So little triangles, small brush size, probably like a 10. Go back up, come back down. And we're just going to do that throughout the whole skirt. So that way it has like a more of a pleated hemline. Okay, so we got the pleating done. I'm going to keep that the same. As for the... Wow, that plane is so loud. As for the shirt, I am going to get rid of this centerpiece here. I apologize, you know, it's just like the holiday season, all the planes just never got to take off. So they're extremely loud now because everyone's trying to catch up on their travels, or at least go back home. I think there's one that doesn't have the centerpiece. I probably should take a look before just editing this. Okay, well basically that's like that, and then you just want to go in closer and add in more detailed cleaning. I just didn't. Okay, so for what I mean by the layering of things, so we have like this undergarment here. You can make this look however you want. So if you want the straps to be like lacy, just change that layer and make it more of like a lacy strap. Okay, so I want to step above and beyond. So I have my sweater here. I did some pleating around the sleeves. I made this sweater a while back for a client, but I'm gonna show you a different variations. So right now I'm in GIMP. This is a second party software that you can use to make clothing or add it. It's just basically, it's like what is that? Photoshop. I almost said Shopify. Photoshop, but it's free, so that's why I'm using this one. So we're gonna go into adding a layer. I'm gonna make it a I'm just gonna call it color. Name it color like the American way of spelling of color, because I already have one that's Canadian way. Because her outfit kind of reminds me of an academia fashion style coloring. So I'm going to take a paint. I'm going to go into my paintbrushes. Yeah. Burnt orange. Let's try that. Oh gosh, I forgot. Anyways, I'm gonna come back to you while this is all done. Or I'm just going to do a speed montage of this. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. And there you have it, the fruits of our labor. Also may notice that the straps that I was working on, in the outline, it has like a nice broad black band, but it clearly didn't transport because I wasn't working on a grid map when I was doing the texture and coloring in GIMP. I could have transferred over the grid, I believe, but I just didn't because I didn't really think it was going to be that necessary, but clearly it was. But anyways, you can always edit it in vroid, and it helps you to just see where everything falls back, and then you can always transport it back into that second party software, Photoshop, GIMP, whatever you use, Lightroom, and do it from there. But yeah, that's the finished product. I hope you like what I've created. But I have other things I want to show you in terms of like creations of socks, and I'm still going to use some of the pieces that I used from that one video of the booth shop. So we're going to actually add jewelry into this art piece. Anyways, so yeah, I changed the straps like I was trying to tell you, though you can do a different overlay. So we added some straps. We also added a jewelry piece, which is kind of hovering fine. It's doing a little weird hover right now. I might change that up, but whatever, I'll leave it like that for now. And yeah, the last part we're gonna play around with some socks. Oh yeah, and you're probably wondering what happened to that yellow. I mean, not yellow. I think it was orange. Yeah, I gave up. I didn't want it. I didn't like it. Deal with it. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do some socks. So I also changed the shoes, and yeah, so we're gonna do some socks. I said this like 5 times. Let's make some socks. So I have these black ones that I want to add some patterns to. Nothing too fancy, because yeah, I don't really feel like doing too fancy. They'll be cute, that's for sure. Let's zoom in. I'm gonna go to this leg. I'm mirroring. If you're wondering why I sounded like that, I had a pen in my mouth. I'm gonna take the sampling of this color here. Mirroring is on. Cool brush size. It's fine. We're gonna make a moon. Do you know what we're making? Yeah, I made it before. If you didn't watch my live stream, well, how dare you? Because I'm making a cat. Because I can. You bet. It's gonna be beautiful. But not only Are we gonna have a cat on this side? We have a cat on this side. And then we're going to have... It's gonna be beautiful. You just can't fathom this outcome of a cattail on the back half. Oh my god. Look how beautiful. Now we have a Neko. I don't know why it's a little lumpy on that side. Perfect. And then we're gonna do this. Nah, I think I'm gonna just do an erase. Yeah, let's do a little bit of an erasing. I want you to be able to see the cat tail. Can you see it? Can you see it? I think you can see it. Think you're picking up what I'm putting down? All right. Beautiful. Last but not least, I'm gonna draw a little bum. Y'all know what that is. All right, got a cat bum, and then we're gonna draw in our little cat details. We'll go to this leg. I might just go here. And go like this. Isn't that adorable? And then we're gonna add in the nose. Don't judge. It's cute, right? You like it? And the eyes. Neko-sensei. There we go. We got ourselves a cat. Bam. Done. Outfit set. So, sweater, literally you can just draw in it. I know I made it complicated. Just take a sweater. I colored it really... Technically, all I did was make it black. I had a knitted pattern. I just stamped that all over it. And then I colored in that knitted pattern. Voila. Shirt. Skirt. You saw me do that. Bam. Cropped it. Made a little... that. Whatever that is. Hemline. Shoes. I just took whatever they had in the sample. It worked with the style. Cat. You just watched. There you have it. A new outfit. I added this lace piece in GIMP. That was the only extras that wasn't done in GIMP. I mean, vroid. Jeez. But that's pretty much it for today's video. And I think so the next video I will show you are some fun little details that you can add to your character. So I think I'm gonna add maybe some eyeliner, maybe like a little heart thing, and then I'm gonna show you how to add extras such as I'm gonna put just a lip piercing. You can draw in a lip piercing if you really want. You could just draw in a ring and call it a day. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna actually add it exteriorly in from a different software. And then I think that's pretty much it for the character customization. I'm gonna fix this part. I might add some rings, who knows. And then I will work on, not me, but you guys will all work on creating a VTuber persona. That is our next chapter after, what video are we on? 3? So on chapter 4, additions like piercings, makeup, yep, that will be a short video. 5 will be VTubing persona. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.